Mulberry. How to make it fruit soon and frequently. Hello friends. Long time ago I noticed that all you have to do is plant a twig of mulberry, and soon after it starts to grow, it'll fruit. But then later on, also a long time ago, I noticed that as it grows and it gets more branches, you get more fruit. But how to make it fruit frequently? And I found out that it's completely no-brainer. Not like this big brain of a coral. It's complete no-brainer. You just prune it and the new twigs will bear fruit right away. And so I made a nice espalier from the frequent pruning. I had a trunk going till about my eyesight, and then two horizontal branches, and on those branches I prune the twigs always after fruiting, and it'll fruit like a month or month and a half later again and again. But Olga was so sick that for a number of years I wasn't able to come here, and so the mulberry grew sky high. I had to cut thick branches, and I was wondering, do I have to make the espalier out of it again? So it grew just zillion of twigs in all the directions, and I was cutting them, and I noticed that in middle of that thicker, I don't know how to say it, of branches, there is plenty fruit. Every day I come here and I pick up the black ones, the ripe ones. You see, this one is half ripe. And then I realize, wait a minute, somebody else might not like to know that even the old mulberry tree, look how thick branches I had to cut, when it creates new twigs, again, no-brainer. It'll be loaded with fruit. And then after you pick up the fruit, you cut it, it'll grow new twigs with new fruit that'll ripen. This one is almost ripe. Up, shouldn't have touched it, it fell down. Okay, and so this is my no-brainer recipe how you can have a fruiting twig, then after you prune it, fruiting young tree again and again, then you can have a beautiful ornamental espalier. If you don't know what means espalier, I can put a link to it in the subtitles, under the title, they call it description. And then you can have fruiting twig, fruiting young tree, fruiting old tree, and if you old espalier, and then if you spaced out for a few years for a reason or non-reason, you just prune it heavily and it'll fruit again. This is my new trees, and this is something else. Cucumber. Okie dokie artichoke. I'm happy to share with you top secret method of a fastest growing producing little fruit tree that I know of, which is called mulberry. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed what you heard. See you later, alligators. Goodbye. Bye. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you didn't. Ciao. Arrivederci. Goodbye. Do svidania. Bye-bye.